Is that a damn cat? Oh no, that's an owl. That's an owl in my dad's light. Oh my god. Is that an owl? Or is it a squirrel? I think it's just a squirrel. Okay, yeah, it's just a squirrel. I thought it was an owl there for a second, but now that he's kind of like, I ain't got my eyeglasses on now. I was wondering what my dog was looking at. That's my dad's work light. But he's looking at the squirrel. This interaction is intense. Definitely a squirrel. Listen, we have owls. You don't often see them, but we have them. Oh, look at the birdie. Tree's starting to grow back in. You good, buddy? Marley. Like you. Are you good? You good? Did he look at you some type of way? What's going on? I mean, I've seen the staring contest going, but... Buddy, where are you going? You should go back the other way. Yeah, there you go. And hop on the other branch. Go to the other tree. Because wherever you thought you was going, you're probably not going to be able to go with Big Boy sitting there. Yeah, there you go. Go on the other way. Go take your butt over to the other house, jump on it, take your ass over to the other side. Now, where do you think you're going? I hope squirrels don't attack. But, I mean, they are staring each other down. Marley. Marley, it's just a squirrel, buddy. It's just a squirrel. It ain't nothing for you to be worried about. It's just a little baby squirrel. Looks like there might be a nest or something up there. Good boy. Go to the other branch. Go find you somewhere else to go. He actually looks like he's nesting up there. Like he's grabbing stuff. Marley. He's probably a she, and they're probably nesting, Bubby. Because, like, he's grabbing nesting material. Come on. Let that little squirrel be. Come on, Bubby. Marley.